All right, if you've used an air hammer before, you know how sometimes you can't get the job done without one. And you just need that tool for whenever you need a good air hammer. Now, as a full-time RVer, I am limited on space. I cannot have something that's gonna be huge. I need compact placements, and so this tool gives me that. I don't ever need to use it very often. I'm not a professional, but when I need a hammer to get like a bolt off is mainly what I need it for. I don't do a whole lot of concrete work or anything like that, but basically if I get something that's stuck and on the rig or on the truck, you gotta be your own handyman every now and again. So let me show you how my setup is. It's pretty good and it does the job. This little air compressor just hooked up to my battery in my truck is all I need for this air hammer. And you can see it does the job, just like that. Now, it's not gonna be your industrial strength, it's not gonna be commercial grade, but again, I'm not using it all the time. I'm using it just to like whack a bolt or something like that. And let me show you the kit that I rock with. Again, space is extremely limited to me, so I just put the air gun right here. So that goes in there, and I don't use it that often, but some of the tools that I use quite often is something like this where I can get the bolt on there, just like that, and it'll start to push the bolt. And so I'll do something like that where I'll just smack it a couple times. It's better when in a tight space where I can't get a full whack on it like a sludge hammer or a good tension bar, and you have a bunch of different tools in here. So it's really easy to change your tools out. You just put your tool in here just like that, down, and it is ready to go, right? If you wanted to spring load it, you just put this little pin tool here, you put that in like that. You put your spring in just like that. You're good to go. Again, for me, I'm not a professional that uses this every single day, but when I do need it, it's there for me in the back of my truck in the tool chest. It makes it super handy just to pull out, get a bolt off that I can't get off that's stuck on the trailer, the truck, or if I do need to mess around with any steel, welding, anything like that, it just helps me to break down material really quickly. I haven't really needed it for any concrete personally, but I'm sure it does the job on concrete just fine. So if you're looking for a portable gun that doesn't take a lot of air hose pressure to get the job done, then this might be what you're looking for.